So here's my 73 CB750 that I brought home from a buddy's shop recently, and I've been working on it here and there, wiring in some things, checking some stuff. I'm running a like an 04 or 05 CBR 1000 start-stop switch because it's a slim profile and I liked it. So finally figured that out. I wired in a blade fuse box from some Honda, I believe, and I've gotten it to work, but still not properly, as it's either it either has a tail light and headlight on constantly, no matter if the ignition switch is turned on or kill switch is on or off, or it's not getting power at all, depending on how I have the fuse box set up. So I'm not really sure what's going on, but anyways, today I've been working on the swing arm and rear wheel and chain. I just took the swing arm off and the wheel and chain and cleaned it up some, slapped it back on for now. I'm going to paint my rear wheel black eventually, just like the front one is, and I have the chain soaking in some pretty good oil as I cleaned it with gas and brushed it down with a wire brush, and soaking it in oil, and hopefully it's still in okay shape. So for now, I wanted to show you guys the bike fully running. It runs plugged into the wiring harness for the first time, and it sounds pretty good. However, the number 4 cylinder is running well, poorly, I should say. I guess I believe it's something in the valves is letting oil by. So anyways, I'll see if I can show you guys, but give me a minute. I'm going to turn on the fan even higher and I'll get it running. I don't have the throttle cables hooked up at the moment, so I'm just using this just for right now. Here we go.